So hi all, this is Sachin VC. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sachbeam. So this is a new playlist actually. In that one, what we are planning is we are creating 4 videos. One is based on the project template, how to set up a project, then view range, and some typical things. So this is what we are going to study in this playlist. So first in the list, project templates. That's what we are going to study today. So first of all, what do you mean by project template? And basically, those are usually as a starting point to standardize the project. Okay, so where we can see this project template. So if you click new means a additional pop-up will come. In that one we can choose the template. So Revit itself having some default template, I mean construction, mechanical, architecture, structure. So each template out support it's their own discipline. Now I am going with the system default metric. Okay, so this is what is the system default metric project interface. So here you can see some project orientation. So based on your requirement you can remove or you can subtract or you can add some data. So right now we are seeing one case study. So in this project we are using the system default metric that is already inbuilt in Revit actually. So after opening the file, each resources need to do the project unit settings. If you record the additional graphics settings, then adding the phase, project browser organization, in the sense you need to arrange the project browser if it is required, then adding the required families, adding the annotation families, adding if then any new additional text type is or dimension type is required means that also we need to add. Then additional title block, if you have any title block family means you need to load into that project. And schedule also you can create or you can add based on your requirement. And drafting views. So these are the few things that you need to incorporate after opening a system default method. So it will be headache, right? So 8 resources need to do the same thing, so it will be a hard job. I mean, it's a hard working. So let's say if I update these many things in the template itself means what will happen. So if I update this many things in the template itself means we can reduce this workload. Okay, this much work we can reduce and we can directly jump into the production stage itself. So you can see how much time we are saving by using a proper project template. So one more thing, not only saving the time, we can enhance our consistency. So if you are using a common file for all 8 resources means there will be definite consistency will happen. So this is what the purpose of a proper project template. So next we are looking into how we can create a new project template. For that one, go to the Revit, then click new, then an additional pop will come. Actually there is two method. You can create it from the scratch or you can modify any of the template. So I will prefer the modifying option. Why? Because why need to start from zero? So better to go with a modifying option. So right now I am going with the system default metric. So next major thing is selecting it as a project template. Okay, then click OK. So right now I open the system default metric and you can see the browser. In that one we have the electrical discipline, mechanical discipline, plumbing. So if I am working as a mechanical means no need of this many things, so I can subtract this thing. Also I can remove the plumbing also, so it will be more easy to analyze the project browser. And first, so initially if you need to create any face means go to here, then you can create some faces like face. So right now I just create 5 faces. This is for just a temporary purpose, so I just created 5 faces and click OK. So next is the object style. So if you want to create some new object style means go here in that manage tab, click on the object style. So right now you can see there is no air terminal objects, so I just click new and I'm creating as a temp. So I'm adding as a red color, click OK. Okay, so right now I just created one line type for the air terminal, and annotation also I can do the same thing. Analyticals also same thing I can do it here itself. So I just made one generic here, click OK. So next is view template. So right now I have in my project only this much templates. So if the architecture templates is not required means I can remove from here, and if I need some new template means I can create it as a new temp. Click OK. So right now I just create a new template with my own company standard. So all other employees can use this standard if they use this project template. So next is the project unit. So right now I just open the metric unit, so that all the dimensions, all the units are in the metric form. If I need to change some unit means I can change it from here itself. In the template itself I am changing. So next is the parameters. If I need to add some new parameter means that also I can do, and I can move these cameras what as it is required. So building is just like a bigger one means based on the building orientation I can adjust the cameras. So you can see I adjust it like this. And also in the project I have two levels. If I require more levels means that also I can do it from a template itself. So that's what I'm showing to you. So I have created a couple of levels. So based on the levels, the views also created here. And coming to the project browser, in that families we have some system families. So if I don't record some fittings like pipe fittings means I can remove it from here itself. So I can delete these things. And what are things I don't record I can subtract from here itself. And what are things I record if I need some company families, I mean if I suppose my company or my client is working on some certain families means that I can import into the project template so that everyone can use, no need of individually load into the project. Okay, then title block same as families. Title block also you can insert to the project template so that no need of individual loading by the each resources, that also we can save. So annotation, dimension, text type, that also you can create. So if I click di, in the Revit itself having this much type of style, so I can duplicate and I can create a new one with my own standard or company standard. So right now just create as a temp and click OK, and I am saving the template in the desktop itself. I am keeping as a sample template, and I'm closing this file. So next time when I was working means I just need to go to new, then go to browse. In that one, go to the desktop, you can find the template from here. Just click OK, click OK. So that what are the things I made on the template, you can see here. The project browser is organized, 4 levels are created. And coming to the object style, the terminal type I already created, that you can see here. And the face also I created here, that you can see here. Then title block, what are the families I record, that already I loaded into the template itself, so no need of individual loading. So right now we can attain some time saving as well as consistency over naming or dimensioning, everything we can make a consistency. So that's it from my side for the project template. I hope you understand the concept. So next session we will continue on the how to set up the project. So thank you guys. So this is Sachin from Sachvim channel, and bye.